Please click below subscribe button. Anything wrong in this video, please comment here. And don't forget to share this video. Thank you.
Have a very special team performing Nitusha and Quad going live right after. And what's that one thing you think all of them are going to be excited about?
I think seeing and driving a car which is one of its kind and probably the first of its kind in India.
What does now is calling mean to you?
To me, what now is calling means is this is the time to really feel it, experience it, and have the time of your life with a car like the Q5.
Okay, I've asked them this question, that what would you like to do when you drive? And we're going to shift to the new one. Yeah, lovely. Give me a big applause for the gentleman, everybody. I'll request you to kindly stay back as well. And peace, beauty, everything.
So though it's an SUV, it's a complete all-rounder. Q5 we've already sold close to 1.6 million globally, and it's been the highest selling Audi for 2 years in a row globally. So it's an all-round.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Audi Q5. Can we give a big applause as this gets underway? It's that time where the Audi is ready to take it over.
Anything wrong in this video, please comment here. And don't forget to share this video. Thank you.